po, the book of Revelation is one of the exciting thing na book ng Bible. Una, pag sinabi natin na end of times or end of age, di ba lagi ang iniisip natin, yung mga napapanood natin sa TV na biglang nagiging magulo, tama? Pero pag binasa niyo po yung book of Revelation, ang ending ng story is a wedding. Sino dito po yung may asawa na or kinasal na? Taas ang kamay. Marami tayo, di ba? Habang papalapit yung wedding, anong nararamdaman mo? Natatakot ka ba? Ay, kakasal na ako, scary. Hindi, di ba? You're excited. Alam niyo po, karamihan ng mga babae dito, tingnan niyo yung picture nila nung wedding day. Ang sexy, ang kinis, ang ganda. Tingnan mo ngayon, ano nangyari? Joke lang. The point that I'm trying to make is, everyone na ikakasal, they are so excited. Tama? They are longing to spend eternity to the one in whom they are super deeply, madly in love. Amen? At kapag ka-in love ko dun sa taong yun, para bang gusto mong hatakin yung date, gusto mong ikasal na kayo. Amen? That is the book of Revelation. It speaks about God and His church. At ikakasal sila. That's the picture of Revelation. Amen? And God is telling here, I am going to make everything new. Di ba kapag ka kinasal ka, everything is new? Amen? Yung dating buhay mo, na nung binata ka, napupunta ka kung saan mo gusto, wala na yon. Goodbye na doon sa bachelor life. Amen? Yung ikaw ang nagdidesisyon at sarili mo lang ang kinukonsider mo sa lahat ng desisyon na ginagawa mo, you say bye-bye to that. Why? Kasi everything is new. You're now going to build a life to the person na pinakamamahal mo sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo. That is the picture of Revelation. That's why I want you to be excited. Why? Because one day, God is going to make everything new. Amen?